Welcome back to AI Arena. Today we're diving into something bold, a creative engine that might just replace the design tools you've been using for years. Starting today, you can actually think about uninstalling Canva. Why? Because Dreamina is here and it changes everything about how you create posters, product shots, videos, and even digital humans. Let's dive in. Dreamina isn't just another AI image generator. It's an all-in-one platform built for marketing campaigns and real commercial use. You get text to image to image, text to video, motion imitation, avatars, and more. Plus, it's powered by Seedream 4.0, the new top-ranking model that officially surpassed Nano Banana to claim the #1 spot on the leaderboard. But the real story is the technology behind it. Dreamina is a proprietary product developed by the same parent company behind Seedream 4.0, ByteDance, offering the most complete and powerful creative suite that no other platform can match. So what makes Seedream 4.0 revolutionary? 4 things: multi-image blending, accurate recognition, interactive editing, and 4K high definition. Let's break those down. Dreamina supports multi-image fusion, up to 6 references combined, so you can merge products, styles, or characters with precise control. For comparison, most other platforms allow up to 3. The accuracy of recognition means no more warped proportions or color shifts like you get in GPT-based tools or Midjourney. Dreamina keeps your products pixel perfect and intact. Interactive editing is a huge advantage for anyone who hates restarting generations. You can swap a bag, tweak lighting, change hair, or adjust props directly without regenerating the entire image. And every output supports true 4K high definition, print-ready visuals for posters, campaigns, or e-commerce. Let's talk about the pain points that Dreamina eliminates. If you've used Midjourney or GPT-40, you know the problem: product distortion. You upload your item and it redraws it wrong, colors off, proportions warped, or a random artistic spin that kills commercial value. Canva keeps your product intact, but you end up wasting hours dragging layers, cutting backgrounds, and fixing layout alignment. Dreamina fixes both worlds. Upload your product photo and it builds a full poster or ad around it without distortion or layout mess. You just describe what you want and Dreamina generates a finished design instantly. Perfect for Instagram, ads, or print campaigns. Here's a real example. An e-commerce seller tried Canva, hours of editing. Midjourney distorted the product. Dreamina, 1 clean product photo, 1 prompt, and a ready-to-post poster. Another example, a blogger needed multiple banner sizes. Canva required manual resizing. Dreamina's precise recognition generated them all instantly, keeping every element perfectly aligned. And if you've ever tried to generate text with Midjourney, you know how it ends: gibberish. Dreamina nails text accuracy. Flyers, book covers, ad captions, it all comes out clean. Dreamina is also free to use, and you can earn daily points for creating. No hidden paywalls like Canva, and no distorted outputs like Midjourney. At the end of the day, Dreamina isn't just another design tool. It's a commercial-ready creative ecosystem powered by the world's strongest model. It's faster, sharper, and smarter, giving you print-grade visuals in seconds. So if you've been wasting time fixing layouts or redrawing distorted products, stop. Test Dreamina, push Seedream 4.0 to the edge, try 6 image blending, test its 4K precision, and you'll see why it's now #1 on the leaderboard. And remember guys, Dreamina offers large daily reward points for free, meeting everyday needs. That's Dreamina, built for creators who want real results. Try it now and don't forget to subscribe for more AI battles and deep dives here on AI Arena.